Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a double roll or clone video using only the Capcut apps. It's no green screen. Okay, let's get started. First, record your two videos, one for each roll like this. Like this. Two videos. And to make the result look natural, make sure the background stay exactly the same, so keep your camera still, like use a tripod or place your phone on a stable surface. And then record yourself on the left side and the right sides, and you can also act like you're interacting with your clone. After that, just open the Capcut and then create a new project, then import both of your videos. After that, choose one of the clips to use as an overlay. It's totally up to you. In this tutorial, I will use the first clips as the overlay. So I will just tap on the first clips and then choose overlay. This one. And then select on the overlay clips. Then scroll on the bottom toolbar and find mask feature. This one, just tap it and choose the horizontal options. Then rotate the mask until it's vertical, about 90 degrees. After that, try to play the videos. And then adjust the mask line by sliding it left or right to divide the screen between the two characters. You can also use keyframes to adjust the positions if needed, and even you can use feature to feather the edge a little to make the transitions look smoother and more natural. And then make sure the timing and the interactions between two rolls look right. Just trim or align the clips if anything feels off. Adjust it until the scene looks the way you want. Like this. I want to make it like this. I want to trim the durations of first clip like this and delete. Maybe like this. I want to make my video like this. After that, feel free to do something like color grading or tone adjustment so both clips blend well together, like this. Just go to adjust feature, this one. And the last, you can also add the background music or sound effects or even some text to make it more fun. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.